Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this star ornament. All you're gonna need are 2 pieces of square paper, some kind of glue, scissors and a little bit of a rope. We will start by folding one piece of a paper. We will fold it in half and then we will open it and fold it again in half. And now we will also fold it on both diagonals. Next we will take our scissors and we will cut it about a half of a length to the middle, so this length to the middle. Now we will fold these sides that we just made to the center or this diagonal line. So fold this line to the diagonal line and press it down, and also do the same with the other side. And now you will fold paper like this on all of the sides. Now, once our paper is looking like this, we'll take a glue and we will apply it on one side of a triangle and then fold the other side over to this line here. Once we have it, we'll turn it around and adjust the lines, the center lines. Now we'll do the same steps with the other piece of paper so that we will have 2 stars. In next step, we will tie a knot on our rope. And we'll take one star and we will glue this knot here a little bit off the middle. Now we will glue our stars together so that the lines go right in the middle, like this. So take a glue, apply it, and then just put the stars together. And just like that, we have our star ornament.